You can hear my voice touch your nose. Shoop. You can hear my voice touch your head. Shoop. Ears. Knees. You can hear my voice pet your invisible dog. You can hear my voice feed your invisible dog a biscuit. You can hear my voice say criss-cross applesauce, criss-cross applesauce. Put one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Take a deep breath and let it out. And again. Hi, pandas. This is so weird. You're at home and I'm at home. This is my home. And I'm gonna read you a story. It's almost like we're at Parker's place together. This story is called Daddy Honk Honk by Rosalind Bonnet. It's the end of summer in the Arctic. Snow will soon cover the tundra. Everyone is enjoying the last sunny days. Look at these guys down here, sunbathing with their sunglasses. Put the little fox is watching the geese fly away. Oops, they forgot something, he says, noticing an egg in the grass nearby. He looks and sniffs. He knocks and listens. He shakes it and... Daddy Honk Honk. Whew, you gave me a shock. Daddy Honk Honk. I'm not your daddy, you know. Daddy Honk Honk. You're a cutie, but I don't know how to take care of a baby. Daddy Honk Honk. Let's go find you a family. Could you please let go of my nose now? Put goes to the lemmings. Would you like a baby? Would you like a baby? Daddy Honk Honk. What a little sweetheart, they exclaim. But they have no room for a new baby. Look at all of their babies. Mama Lemming gives Put a tiny hat. A baby needs to stay warm, says Papa. Oh, I see. Thanks, says Put. Daddy Honk Honk. Put meets Olaf and Lily. Do you know much about babies? Not really, answers the muskox. Lily is not an expert either, but she has a suggestion. Here, take some yummy food, she says. A tiny shrimp like that needs to eat to become big and strong like us. Thanks, have a good hike, says Put. He wonders if a well-nourished baby could get as big as a muskox. That means a baby that eats a lot. Daddy Crunch Crunch. Look, the baby's having a little granola bar. Yum. Next they pass an Anouk, doing his morning yoga. Hey, we do yoga. Better not disturb him, thinks Put. But the baby wants to meet Nanook. Daddy Honk Honk, Daddy Honk Honk, Daddy Honk Honk, Daddy Honk 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 Honk. So noisy, grumbles Nanook. Isn't it nap time? A baby needs sleep. Good point, says Put. Daddy roar roar. I don't think that baby wants to go to sleep. Put puts the baby in a comfortable place. Plop. No more honk honk, it's nap time. Daddy honk honk, daddy honk honk, daddy honk honk. but the baby's not sleepy. Daddy Honk Honk. You should rock him, suggests Granny Puffin. But the mischievous baby definitely doesn't want to sleep. Daddy Honk Honk. Splash! It's much more fun to play in the water. Daddy Honk Honk. More and more friends come to play. What a ruckus! Daddy Splish Splash. Stop, you're going to squish my baby, shouts a put. Daddy Glug Glug. Etta the whale stops the game with a big swish of her tail. You must always keep an eye on your baby, she says. Yes, phew, thanks, a put sighs. Come on, little rascal, time to go home. Daddy Honk Honk. Let's hurry, you're chilly. Daddy Honk 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 Honk. Look, our house is down there. Here we come, the fastest family on the tundra. Daddy Zoom Zoom. Welcome. I will be the greatest daddy, hums a put. Healthy food, keep warm. We're all set for playtime and bedtime. I think a little one like you needs a story before bed, says a put, opening a book. Then they hear a knock at the door. All the friends are here. What a nice surprise. Your baby needs a beautiful name, they say. Welcome, Aurora. Under the northern lights, everyone celebrates Aurora's birth. Cocoa and cuddles, snacks and songs, laughs and kisses, because above all, a baby needs love. Daddy Honk Honk. If you were a daddy or a mommy, how would you help your baby? What things would you give your baby besides love? The end.